Hi, here's some computer help for you. I'm going to show you how to make a border around your page or pages in a Word document. The border serves as a decorative frame around your content. To make the border, go up to the top ribbon, then click on Design. When the navigation below that word changes, then go to the far right option labeled Page Borders. Click there, and a new menu box appears. This contains many different options for your border. You may want a design that looks credible or serious, or you might want something fanciful. You'll find a number of different options here. Using simple lines from the Style box might give your document an elegant or authoritative appearance. If you go down to the Art option, you'll see fun clip art style designs. Let's pretend I'm making a flyer about a bake sale fundraiser. I select the cake images, click OK, and bam! That's how my document appears with slices of cake framing my content. Now I want to show you something else that's important. I go back to the Page Borders link at the top, click, and again open the menu. Now I go down to the box labeled Apply To. In the drop-down, I can see choices, allowing me to select where my border should appear. I can place the border on one page, throughout a section, or on all pages throughout the document. That's powerful flexibility. I hope this was helpful. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and also consider giving this video a like. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.